Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Welcome. You see it, young people. So I have videos I'm going to present to you, and let me start off with this video first. All right. So first up, I am going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica, and this video is going to show at least 3 damaged motor vehicles. Some people might call the situation that I can see and hear in the video a multi-vehicle accident situation. That's what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers. And you can hear when at least one person said the word truck in the video, viewers and subscribers. You know, because when I look and listen to the video, I wonder how something like that happened. I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly how the whole incident happened. I didn't even get any confirmed information to determine if there was any form of injury or anything about any fatality, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Now, my people, I'm going to present the video to you, and then after I present the video to you, I'm going to point out at least one thing about the whole situation. You understand me? And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Jesus Christ. They're looking at my head. Let's see what they are. Who carry this? Who carry this?
Oh, it's a photo of a truck.
I said, did I tell you about it? Police say not to end truck man I tell you.
Alright, so my people, I'm gonna play back just a piece of this video, make you hear some words that at least one person said, because even me, I wonder who a certain amount of persons who can hear talking in the video might have blamed for the situation or might believe caused the situation. You see what I say? Yeah, like which one of the motorists them are support. So listen to this piece of the video. Listen right here. I think I hear somebody say, I drop off and a skater come down. So what do you think that person I talk about? So me just point out that part of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Can't help but wonder how an incident like that happened. You see me I say? So here's a question. Who might have caused an incident like that? Here's another question. What might have caused an incident like that? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and you can let me know what you think about that situation, and I'm going to move on to the next topic. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between 2 persons. Now, at one point, both of those persons each held an object, and in my point of view, one of those objects was more dangerous than the other. Yes, what I say? Now, based on some words that those two persons said in the video, I got the understanding that one person accused the other person of taking silvers. Yes, what me I say? No, in Jamaican way, the person said silver them. But in a proper English, that would mean silvers. You understand? Yeah, more than one. And then the other person said the word phone and also said to the other person, don't come tell no lie on him. And in my point of view, there was some type of pushing or struggle between those two persons. Anyways, here I'm going to present the video to you. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Imagine you're sending your friend and you come out and you can't this man and you show about 500,000 and you come and check up them to me blood clot silver them. You're bumbo clot man. Down to the silver them to blood clot and you show me about 500,000 and you come and silver and you can't and you check them up. I'm in the phone. Don't go to the night. Don't go to the night. Don't go to the night. I'm in a photo. I'm in rock with your blood clot. Indian, boxing, don't juke him. Let your boxing, don't juke him. Let your boxing, don't juke him. Why you come here to come silver them for? You come on blood clot when you show me this man. Then another man them say what never come here and ram up this ram.
Whoa, listen, a soft answer, turn it away, wrath. You see me I say? And in my point of view, I think it is best that persons talk over their differences if they have any form of a problem with what one or maybe each other done. Are two grown persons then they know, two grown persons. You see me I say? Better example than that for set from them the people. You see? Alright, I'm gonna mean no disrespect. Just I say. Hear me I say now my people. Oh, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now the next video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within the country of Jamaica, and this video is going to show some things that happened when a person who was driving a motor vehicle had been stopped or pulled over by police within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding that police was following or pursuing a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone, and then at some point the person who was driving the motor vehicle stopped the motor vehicle, and occupants in that motor vehicle came out of the motor vehicle, and obviously they had been approached by police viewing subscribers. And I said, no, one of the things that somewhat surprises me about this video is the way how another police service motor vehicle arrived at the scene, and whosoever that drive that police service motor vehicle viewing subscribers makes me wonder. You understand? So I present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video, and you can also let me know what you think. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Watch out. Back up. Open book cloth and go to send me a video there. Back up. Watch it. Open cloth and go take me a video this brother, watch out. God tell me to video this one, yo. Watch out with the blood. Yo! You come like God said video to blouse and skirt, and my foot, my tablet just come out and start video. They come like they know, so they marinate though. Yo!
Mr. People, you see how one of the police service motor vehicles arrived on the scene. Like, who that drive the motor vehicle that did yeah. You know what me I think about? Me I think about the loose, what I call that though? Some loose things on the ground there. Yes, me I say, I mean, suppose when time whosoever that drive that police service motor vehicle, it press brakes, you know, it never really and truly stop in time and just keep on going. Yo, me I tell you. My people, so I just them videos them I talk about in this video, viewers and subscribers. As I say, let me know what I think about those videos, and here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.